look at this, you guys. Now we have total relaxation. Look at April's eyes. She's actually really enjoying it. No more people by her. Now the two of them are just bonding. She's totally relaxed. We still have baby on a little lead rope just in case, but this is the result of 2 days of trying. And the first time we had to restrain her legs and be really careful. But if you just are persistent and you do this every 2 hours and you make the atmosphere calm, you give them both a positive experience. Now they're bonding together and actually enjoying it. Look at her eyes. You're such a good girl, April. So she has more responsibility now for the baby.